Morning, Raya Crazies. What? Alright. Morning. What, Lady Limit? Morning. Ross Clark, gonna tune in. By the morning run, who come with me? Butter Music, Pussy Clark, some of my favorite people. Morning. Wakey, wakey. Up full. Crazy, never lazy. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. Smile a while and give your face a rest. Raise your and working class, wake you, rise and shine. School run, the Queen is here, and it's the morning devotion. Wakey, wakey. Bumper class, to not tune in. I'm impressed. You not missing me, DJ Style. I want to check your Instagram inbox when you finish. I'll do that. Play my tune radio. Wakey, rise and shine in the morning, cock-a-doodle-doo. And it's 6:20 in the morning in Jamaica. Ray. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. Smile a while and give your face a rest. Raise your hands, 'cause you love the Queen the best. Then shake hands with those nearby and greet them with a smile. It's a beautiful morning. It's a beautiful day. Portmore City. In the city. Look. Ray. Are you like loving it? Say yes, Sky, you're blessed. Ha. Jamaica in the early morning. Watch the school as them. Ray. Pretty them I get ready for school. So my friend house here, I'm a past it already. Pretty Jamaica nice situation. You get a nice morning view. Oh, that's my country, Jamaica. Jamaica land, Queenie laugh to the dum. Eternal Father, bless her land. Guide us with her mighty hand. Keep us free from evil power. Through her life, through countless hours. Through our leaders, great defender. Grant you wisdom from above. Justice to the all forever. Jamaica land, we love to the dum. Jamaica land, Queenie love. What do I sing it again? Eternal Father, bless her land. Queenie, how comes you not block them again? Black who? Guide us with the mighty hand. Keep us, what's your school as them? Free from, hey! Evil power. To morning. I saw them go to school early. What time when the school start? 6:45. Alright, you have a great day at school, yeah? Ray, morning. Wow. Jamaica slam dunk, jam dunk. Oh, the people in my Jamaica really appreciate me. That boy here. Hey! Morning, hello. Hi, morning. I saw early when I go to school. What's up in them? Do it, hold it. You put this on me. Let me out. Wow, the queen is there. Hey! Lord, nah, I'm a thing, Lord. Queen of the boss. Yeah, do it. Bam.
We're right there. Some of them still in mama, you see me? So some of them come with all different things, you know, cause my all different type of things.
407 09 83. That's my number.
Your number, I call it say get mine.
Yeah. Lord. Come here, roast, man. Who turn on the AC, do it? Oh, that with Jamaica now. A little time ago, bye, Queen Drive, crazy. Mwah. Nice. What she say now? Oh God, darling, may I hide from the sun? Come, baby, come. She don't have enough clothes. Let me go get her up. 1 minute. Okay, Teddy, I'll come and get the blessing. What's your name? Thank you. Why the lady getting a spirit? Jesus. That's a one school. I want to name. Bridgeport. Bye. Oh. Oh my God, the school pity them. Bless them. Boy, I'm crazy. Well, the lady called me and give me a word, a prayer, and get all in her spirit. Bless her. I'm never I come out to her in the car. She tell Queenie come. I'm here. She said she can't come out. I can't. And she want to give me some blessing. Bless her. That was a good morning blessing. All I was supposed to get it as well. It rub off powder. To God be the glory too. I'm about this. Yeah, man, chant some prayers to me a while ago, so man. Yeah, man, prayers move mountain, man. No more school there on us, sir. Feel like a bridge. Precious. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still water. He restored my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. By some hay do I walk through the valley of the shadow of death. I'll fear no evil, for thou art with me. The little prize the lady give me I cry, man. I get emotional. I know so anytime nobody said about Rachel, it get me sensitive. Bless her, bless you lady, bless you. Thanks to the prize, man. Nothing happen, my darling. Nothing happen. I just get emotional. Call the lady I pray for me and call my daughter name. But I'm fine. Just go and enjoy the view, man. Not one thing not do me. I only know say summer bally don't. Cry, cry, Queenie, moonshine, Queenie. Take off your clothes and go to your bed. Cry, cry, Queenie, moonshine, Queenie. Take off your clothes and go to your bed. Nothing happened, my baby. One lady just prayed for me out at Big Bridgeport School. I just get emotional when she got called Rachel name. You know, me for bus, I want her to leave me alone and make me cry. Not do me. Me just a cry, baby. Big slash wifey. Cry, wifey. Anyway, I want to enjoy Jamaica. All want to come here how long? I want to see the view, too. But like that. Chop like a music. Yes, Mr. Holiday, I'm carrying her with me. You're on my holiday. But what? So, you know why look for me? Walk through my crowd, you know why look for me? Now, if you look for me anyhow. Not showing no more the view, not for view me. You know I got the favorite spot, Elsha. Marriage spot. Yeah, our favorite spot. When I ready, we're just going to bring it out. Morning. Wakey. Wow! Someone said I look nice. Thank you. I know Queenie a hot girl, that girl never a flat girl. Oh my God, and I saw the kids them get excited for me. The children are the future. And I saw the pity them get excited all at school. I said, maybe school, my God bless them. Alright, watch the view now. Watch the big yellow bus. That's the government bus. Whoa, watch a piece of accident in the morning at the bus. Whoa. Morning! Blessed love, yeah, Queenie. At the bus. Oh, accident in the morning, yeah. They were gone. That's so early them start school. Hi, morning. The kids I'm gone in already. Them not gone in yet. What time them start? Wait. 1 minute. What time them start school, baby? That one. Yeah. All right, darling. Thank you, yeah? Nice. Greater Portmore, fruitful. Not even Greater Portmore. Them have mango, them have cherry, them have apple, them have plum, them have banana. Oh my God, very fruitful. All right. What you said, wait. Three, yeah.